What's up, guys? Back with another video. So today my Cobb access port got delivered. I'm about to go pick it up and then I'm gonna head to my friend Rad's house. Rad I pretty much do all car mods with. He has a Focus ST. You guys will see that a little later. He wasn't in the first video because he had to work and I was just bored, so I wanted to get something done on my car. Yeah, here's a look at it in the daylight. Looks a little better. Sounds pretty good. Can't wait to get a downpipe on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna drive to pick up my access port and then head to Rad's house. See you guys there. Alright guys, so I just picked it up. I don't know why it has Mishimoto tape on it. I'm gonna head to Rad's house and open this thing up. Do kind of like an unboxing video. So we're gonna make this channel kind of like a vlog slash how-to videos. You'll see a lot of different stuff. For the most part, it's gonna be all about cars. Mostly our cars, but yeah. Alright guys, just got to Rad's house. This is his car.
Yup. This is a 2017 Ford Focus ST. Pretty much got everything done to it. Full bolt-on, so downpipe, full exhaust, intake, intercooler. It's on an E30 tune. Also running methanol injection. So it shoots flames. It's a little dirty right now, but it's whatever. Got some NT wheels, NT03s, some aero on it. Rally Innovations front, side, and rear aero. Plenty of stickers on it. And, I mean, few cosmetic things like the wing riser and stuff like that, but I mean mud flaps as well. But pretty much everything besides the big turbo.
Should have done videos.
Yeah,
recording the stuff that we did to this, because
we've done a whole lot to this car, and it could have made for some great content. But I mean, if anybody has questions on, you know, how we got the intercooler on, or doing the downpipe, or wiring up the methanol injection, I mean, we can make videos, just an overview of doing all that.
So me and Rad, we've been talking about making like a YouTube channel for a long time. Back when I had my first car, which was a 1999 Miata. Dang, bro! Did a whole bunch of stuff to that. Should have made videos, like I said, with his car. Just a whole lot of stuff. Even like the little things could have just made videos of. But if you guys want to like know how to do any of that stuff, then you know we can always just show.
Yeah, just anything. If you know you want an in-depth video about how we did the H&R lowering springs, or how I routed the methanol, how I wired up the switch for the methanol. I mean, just things that aren't on YouTube that I was looking for at the time. I mean, we can do that.
Yeah. So, gonna open this thing up.
Got the access port right here. Just gonna run a Cobb off the shelf tune right now, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. There it is.
Looking pretty.
Nice. Oh yeah. So it comes with this.
An interchangeable screen, so you can go from the gray
Oh, that's not a
to
mount.
the black.
Oh, that's the mount.
And then you have a mount right here. I have one similar in my car, and it goes on the A-pillar, and this slides onto a mount, and it just hangs on the A-pillar. I believe they include one, but it's just going to be one of the dash-mounted ones.
What other accessories does it come with? It's got the OBD2 plug, and
That should be the mount right there.
yeah. 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 What? All right. So, what you want to do first is just plug in the OBD2 that it comes with, located right underneath the dash, kind of underneath the hood release. Just plug that in, and then plug this into the access port, and then push the start button once. Don't turn the car on, but just start it up. Oh, look at that. Alright.
And it'll give you a list of controls.
So up, down, okay, cancel. Pretty easy. Okay. Install the access port to your vehicle.
There you go. It's going to ask you what kind of map you want to run. So you're going to probably pick stage 191 octane, because here in California we don't even have 93. And this comes preloaded with some Cobb off-the-shelf tunes. So stage 1 is just going to be like basically stock, maybe with some minor modifications like an exhaust or an intake. There we go. Now it's installing onto the Fiesta.
So the mount that it comes with isn't that great, because you have to stick it somewhere on your dash. I don't really know where I'm going to put it yet. Maybe right here. I'm not sure. But yeah, so it's just, right now it's flashing the ECU. So that'll probably take 10 minutes. And then should be good to go. Alright, so it just finished installing. I said to keep your car off for like 15 seconds before you turn it on again. Start it up. Click on the gauges.
Go through, set up some gauges. You can go through different layouts that you want.
Yeah, so it's up to 6 gauges.
On mine, I run the 4 gauge.
There it is. Alright, so we were just doing a few like runs, a few pulls and stuff. I noticed a little bit of like a power increase, not like a whole lot that'll make me go like, but I mean it definitely feels like it pulls a little harder. And now I have stage 2, I mean not stage 2, the 2-step, so I can be an idiot.
Yeah, and it's good because now you can monitor everything else. So right now we have boost pressure, we have AFR, we have charge temps, and then oil temperature as well. So we can monitor those. You have a shift light. Right now we're peaking at 20.74 pounds of boost, which is the correct amount for this map, which is around 20.5. Definitely has more room to grow though with some additional modifications.
Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool overall. It'll be nice seeing all those stats too.
Yeah, it's gonna be real good to monitor everything. We just gotta figure out a place to mount it.
Yeah. Yep. Alright, so I mounted it right there. Probably gonna get the mount that attaches up to here just so it's out of the way. Got the Cobb sticker, so put that on right here. Call it a day. Alright guys, got the sticker on. Now it's official. Yeah, I I wish I was sponsored by Cobb. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're just gonna wash the cars up and then that's it.
Make sure to give us a follow, subscribe, check out the IG.
All right. See you guys next video.